Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. This video is actually a re-upload of an older video on how to reassemble the RT187M one-handed rivet tool. The RT187M was recently updated, so if your RT187M looks like this video does not apply to your tool. If you need help reassembling a newer version of the RT187M, you can find contact info for our customer service team in the link in the description below. But if you need help reassembling the older version of the RT187M, keep watching.
Hi, my name is Jared Appel. Welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today, I'm going to show you how to reassemble your Aero RT187 Rivet Tool. The Aero RT187M has an adjustment nut on the housing piece to alter the stroke distance. If a rivet gets jammed inside the tool, you may have to completely unscrew it to clear the jam. First, unscrew the housing piece. The adjustment nut and nose piece will come off with it. Now you'll see the jaw unit end cap with the rivet tool jaws sticking out. Unscrew this. The tension cylinder will come out, followed by the 3 jaw pieces. Any jammed rivets or mandrels should fall right out. The tension spring may fall out of the base of the tool. Make sure you take your tool apart over a clean surface where you won't lose any small parts. To reassemble, put the jaw unit end cap on the table and put the 3 jaw pieces into the cap. Unfortunately, this can take a few tries. We recommend pinching all 3 pieces together between your thumbs and pointer fingers, then dropping them into place together. Just be patient and keep trying until they're all properly aligned. Once the jaws are in place, put the spring into the tool, put the tension cylinder on top of the jaw pieces, and screw the end cap on. Put the resistance washer around the housing piece and screw that on top. Now you're ready to get back to work. For more videos on products and projects, please visit aerofastener.com. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop.